For 90 years, Omron has been leading the way in automation and innovation, taking semiconductor fabrication to the next level. Omron, helping build the fabs of the future today, specializing in solutions to help tackle the toughest challenges, from front-end process to the finished wafer. Staging the revival of semiconductor manufacturing in America, bringing wafers to market at faster speeds with more flexibility and sustainability. Omron, providing the latest innovation semiconductor manufacturing solutions. Precise and stable measurements, wide range of advanced sensing, reliable and scalable controls, industry-leading complete robotics portfolio, giving you the highest level of quality. Omron, experts leading the way, powering semiconductor needs and revolutionizing your manufacturing process. Omron, leading the world in automation and innovation.